welcome back everyone. Today's video is all about these luscious berries that aren't even part of the berry family. There's good looking red berries, and then there's the failure we're staring upon right now.
Yeah, I can cut away.
Let's take a quick look at what we're going to be expecting in this episode.
Let's go.
Fortunately, I already have a plan how to get a better second harvest. But before we get into the video, take this time to hit like and subscribe as it helps us grow a bigger audience. Now let's get back into the video. First off, let's start from the beginning. Our strawberries in the back are forming up quite nicely. So are the ones in the row up front. And in the raised bed. Beautiful. Now in the beginning we amended with just a regular 7, 2, and 6 fertilizer, which was good enough for the berries. Alright, so far, so peachy. As we're progressing, every look at the strawberry makes me more and more happy. But that was only until disaster rain struck. And yes, I could have harvested some of the strawberries a lot earlier, but they also didn't really look the color that I'm used to, so I just kept them on there. And unfortunately, some of them I kept on there too long. So that was my mistake.
Crazy. Strawberries back here.
After the rain, the strawberries began to rot away because they were touching the ground, forcing us to cut off everything that was underdeveloped and unripe that already had been eaten away or was partly savable from the plant. It was quite the sad moment.
Yeah, I can cut away a little bit of it.
A little bit.
Fun.
More than half.
Let's go. Yeah. Effective strategy. Keep them all the way.
Or so I thought.
To mulch around it.
And I had really high hopes for just mulching so that it would lay on the mulch bed and not rot away as much, but turns out that was not good enough. Alright, let's touch back on why strawberries are considered nuts and not fruits. So first off, strawberries are not nuts in the common sense, but botanically. The small seed-like structures on the surface of a strawberry are considered individual fruits called achenes, which are technically nuts. The fleshy red part, which we eat, is actually the enlarged receptacle of the flower, not the fruit itself. Now, having a nut allergy does not automatically mean someone is also going to be allergic to strawberries. But while both can cause allergic reactions, there are distinct allergies with different triggers. A strawberry allergy is a reaction to proteins in strawberries, while a nut allergy is a reaction to proteins in the nuts.
So these fruits don't rot away anymore. That's just sad. It is savable.
So next time you want to eat a strawberry with a nut allergy, make sure that you are actually allergic, or better yet, not allergic to strawberries before you eat them.
It's part of the growing journey.
Alright, so now that I've gathered enough pain, I have an idea and I know what I want to do, so let's check on why I should have prepared for the rain and how I could have prepared everything better from the start. It's important to lift your strawberries off the ground, especially when it rains, to prevent them from rotting and become susceptible to diseases. When strawberries sit on wet soil, they absorb excess water, causing them to swell and potentially split or rot, which is what I had. Wet conditions also favor the growth of fungal diseases like ray mold and other rots that can quickly ruin a harvest. Now that I've gotten the idea and all of my materials ready for the lift, let's not build it, but clean around it and pull some of the weeds. All right, and now that we've gotten our poles in on both sides, we are for sure. Okay, never mind. We're cutting down this 15 inch first. Okay, but surely now, let's finish up on the small task. Just wrapping some rope around the two poles we have set up to give the strawberries a small lift off the ground. It's a simple solution, but will more than likely do the trick, as I wanted to get black tarp for the strawberries. I thought, why not just do a little bit of a lift? It's also cheaper. It's just buying these two poles and a little bit of rope. That's all it is. As you can see, it's super easy to just hang them over the lift, and bam, there's your solution. Now we're giving them some fertile love. So first, we gotta remove the mulching layer in front of the plants. Then we take roughly 2 handfuls of fertilizer. Sprinkle it around where we removed the layer of mulch from. And once you are done, it should look something like this. Now all that's left is watering our plants. If you've made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for tuning in. I hope you've gotten something out of it. Let me know in the comments section how your strawberries are doing this year. With that being said, I will leave you with the gentle sound of me watering my strawberry plants. And as always, remember, if I can grow, what's stopping you?